Want to make your edits look like something out of a blockbuster movie? Let's start with a trick that instantly adds depth and realism. Let's kick things off with an epic text trick in CapCut. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to place text behind a person, a creative effect that instantly makes your edits stand out. Before we dive in, here's a quick tip. Add background music and sound effects to elevate your video. They make your edits more dynamic and engaging. You can find copyright-free tracks on platforms like Epidemic Sound or YouTube Audio Library. I'll leave links in the description for you to check out. Alright, let's jump back into CapCut. First, drag the clip you want to use onto the timeline. Next, go to the top menu, select Text, and insert the default text box. Type your word. Let's go with focus. Choose your font, adjust the size, and position it where you want. Now, head back to Media and drag the same clip onto the timeline, but this time above your text. As you can see, the top clip covers the text. For a smoother workflow, go into CapCut Settings, Arrow Edit, and make sure Arrange Layers is enabled. This option is usually on by default for new projects. With Free Layer enabled, select the top clip. On the right-hand menu, go to Video, Remove BG, Auto Removal. CapCut will automatically remove the background and isolate the subject. Depending on your clip's length and complexity, this might take a little time. Mine is short, so it processes quickly. Now the magic happens. The text appears behind the person in your video. Extend the text to match the entire clip length. You can still edit the text anytime. Change the color, font, or style. For this example, I'll leave it silver solid. And that's it. A clean way to put text behind a person in CapCut. And there you have it. You've just learned one of the most in-demand effects that editors use to wow their audience. Imagine the projects you can create with this. And here's the best part. Effects like this are usually hidden behind expensive courses, but you're getting them here for free. All I ask is, hit the like button, subscribe, share this with a friend who edits, and let me know in the comments how you'll use this effect. See you in the next chapter.